Hi there! Welcome to Everyday English Conversation. Today we're bringing you a fun and easy English conversation between John and Emma, two friends having a casual chat about their day. This video is perfect for beginners who want to practice speaking English in a natural way. We'll guide you through simple sentences and phrases that you can use in your daily life. Stick around for the entire conversation because these are the kinds of sentences you'll use every day. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Everyday English Conversation, for more practical lessons. Ready? Let's get started.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thank you.
By the way, I don't think we've met before.
Oh, you're right. My name is Emma. What's yours?
My name is John. Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too, John.
Are you new to this area?
Yes, I just moved here last week.
That's great. Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago. What about you?
I've been living here in New York my whole life.
Oh, New York is such a lively place. I love it already.
Yeah, it's a great city.
Weather today is really nice, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny and cool. Perfect for a walk.
Do you usually go out for walks?
Sometimes, but I prefer jogging in the mornings.
That's a good habit. I should start jogging too.
You should. It's a great way to stay fit.
Do you jog in the park nearby?
Yes, Central Park. It's a beautiful place.
Oh, I haven't been there yet.
You should definitely visit. It's one of the best spots in New York.
I'll add it to my weekend plans.
By the way, have you tried any local food here yet?
Not yet. Do you have any recommendations?
You must try the New York style pizza. It's the best.
Oh, I love pizza. Is there a good place nearby?
Yes, there's a famous pizzeria just a few blocks away.
Great. I'll check it out.
Do you like any other types of food?
I'm a big fan of Italian and Chinese food.
That's awesome. There are some amazing Chinese restaurants here too.
I'll have to explore more. Thanks for the tips. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love playing guitar and reading books. What about you?
I enjoy painting and watching movies.
That's interesting. What kind of movies do you like?
I love comedies and thrillers.
Nice choices. Have you seen any good movies recently?
Yes, I watched The Pursuit of Happiness last week.
That's a great movie. So inspiring.
Absolutely. What's your favorite movie?
I think Inception is my favorite.
Oh, I loved that one too.
So, what do you do, Emma?
I work as a graphic designer. What about you?
I'm a software engineer.
That's cool. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. It's challenging but rewarding.
That's great. I'm still settling into my new job.
Don't worry, you'll get comfortable soon.
Thanks. By the way, do you have any career goals?
Yes, I want to start my own tech company someday.
Wow, that sounds ambitious.
What about you? Do you have any big dreams?
I'd love to open my own art gallery someday.
That's amazing. I'm sure you'll achieve it.
Thanks, John. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. What about you?
I'm thinking of exploring some museums.
That's a good idea.
Do you know any good museums here?
Yes, the Metropolitan Museum of Art is amazing.
I've heard about it. Maybe I'll visit this weekend.
Let me know if you need company.
Sure, that would be fun.
Great. Let's plan it then.
It was really nice talking to you, John.
Same here, Emma.
Thanks for all the tips about New York.
Anytime.
Let's stay in touch.
Sure. Here's my number.
Thanks. I'll send you a text.
Great. See you soon, Emma.
Bye, John. Take care.
You too, Emma. Bye.